Welcome to the Cooking General. This here video here is strictly vegetarian meal, and this is one of the best vegetarian dishes ever. If you cook it right, you chop your vegetables up right, do everything I said to do in this video. Now, like I always tell people, vegetarians do not eat meat, but they got to eat. And I cooked for a party, which you hear the story in the video, where I didn't know that 80% of the people who attended the party was vegetarians. And so, I'm creating this ideal in my head and I'm trying to get everything together. I wanted something special, something different from everybody else. This is back in 1982. And you're going to really love this vegetarian meal. Now, I filmed the video and I forgot to tell you, when you're making your batter, make sure you put 1 egg in your batter when you're making this here meal. And I'm telling you, it's a very classic meal. You need to check it out. So watch the video. Welcome to the Cooking General, man. Back. Man, check it out. We finna do a vegetarian recipe. Oh, man, we're gonna do some vegetarian mushroom balls. Man, why I wanna do that today? Because of years ago, 1982 to be precise. Man, let me show you how to use some mushroom balls. Come on here, let me show you these balls. Not these balls, but okay. For the mushroom balls, you're gonna need some jalapeno peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Then you're gonna need some sharp cheddar or any of your favorite cheese and cream cheese. And then you're gonna need some eggs, some cornmeal, and you're gonna need some flour and milk for your batter, and you're gonna need something to fry them in. And man, you talking about some good balls. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Mushroom balls. Man, and I'm gonna tell you how this got started. I know this one guy. He's from Texas. I can't say his name, but he's a multi-millionaire in the oil business. And he called me. He's like, Cooking General, can you come down here? I want you to cook these appetizers for us, man. I'm flying some other chefs in and stuff from around the world, and we're gonna have a big old banquet party. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll come out there and do it for you. So I got there. I'm dressed like I'm dressed right now. And these people dressed in suits. Everybody coming in, and these chefs come in. They got these white coats on, they got these hats, they got badges and patches of what they cook at and how powerful it is in cooking. So we in the kitchen. And he said, your booth is back there. So I walked back to the kitchen, and this one chef come up, he ring the bell. He looked at me and said, this order here goes out. These hors d'oeuvres are ready. I said, hors d'oeuvres are ready? I ain't no waiter. He said, okay, I'm sorry. He said, well, I got the dishes are ready to be washed. I looked at him, I'm like, I ain't no dishwasher. Then his eyes got big. He looked at me and said, security, we got somebody in post, and then the security come running in there. They grab him. And take him out. He like, what's going on? And the security guard looked at me, he said, do you want to tell him or you want me to tell him? I said, I'll tell him. You know what I told him? You better ask somebody. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, back in business. Hey, you're a vegetarian? Hey, it was the life of the party. It was one of the best ones there. And you know what I'm saying? I didn't even have time to even prepare for this here. And I didn't have time to prepare for that party. So I was like, man, I can do it though. I cook on a whim because I can cook anything. Come in and show you this here. Now, I got my mushrooms already. I put them in a chopper. I chopped the mushrooms. I chopped the onions. I chopped the jalapenos. I added my cheddar cheese in there, and I added my cream cheese in there. And you just mix all that together. When you mix it all together, you take it and you put it into a ball. Like that. There you go. Just about that size. Now, I took some flour, cornmeal, and your favorite seasoning. I use this, but you can use anything, and a little milk. And you have your batter. And I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of these here because my niece coming over and I know she's a vegetarian. Yes, I got people in my family that's vegetarian. They vegetarian. They like, you going to cook yours? Nah, I can cook anything. So don't start complaining. Don't start whining to me. Now, take it out. Dip them off in there just like that. Make them to the ball. Put them in there. And so I like stirring mine around. Put them on the grease. Let's get that on. There you go. And see, that batter is not too thick and not too thin. And it goes well. Put your nothing. There you go. That batter. Just like that. And you talking about a party starter. Whew. I'm telling you. I can cook for anybody. I don't even know why they don't call me to cook for the queen. Maybe one day they will. Man, let's let them go. Let's let them go. Hands are dirty. But man, this is good. And when they say, who cooked these balls? I want them in my mouth. I just told them, just ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Boy, I tell you, I'm through with this one. Hey, man, if you're a vegetarian, man, I tell you what, you're going to like this here because I even like this here. Now, come here, let me show you how they look. Man, look at that there. Man, vegetarian mushroom balls are good. Made back in 1982. And then you can serve them with some cilantro. You can serve them with some Italian dressing, $1,000. But I'm serving mine with a little bit of ranch dressing on them. And I'm telling you, they are beautiful. They're beautiful, golden brown. That cheese, look at that melting from it. That's delicious. I don't care what you say. That is good. Man. Now, if you have anybody tell you something about a vegetarian, they got to deal with me.